When you purchase a VivoFit Junior 2, you automatically get access to its corresponding adventure map. But the fun doesn't stop there. By purchasing a new band for VivoFit Junior or VivoFit Junior 2, you get a code that gives your kid access to a whole new world of app adventures and games. Choose a Star Wars band and experience BB-8's Adventure, a Star Wars story. Every day your child meets their 60-minute activity goal, they'll progress in the adventure to help BB-8. BB-8 is stuck on the planet Jakku and needs help from a pilot named Zepha to transport and deliver an important message. But first, BB-8 needs to scavenge for parts to pay for his passage off Jakku, and this is no easy task. Your child will accompany BB-8 as he visits Nima Outpost, slides down mountainous sand dunes, and collects the important starship parts that will help him escape the desert planet. Then it's off to the planet of Takodana so BB-8 can find the rebel spy who's waiting for the message. Meet the suspects and figure out who's the rebel in disguise. BB-8 has his work cut out for him, but with your kid's help, he might just complete his mission and be a hero of the rebellion. Want to know how the story ends? These app adventures are exclusive to Garmin, so you'll have to get your hands on a VivoFit Junior with one of these bands. But the story is just the beginning. For every day kids meet their 60-minute activity goal, they'll be rewarded with colorful gems that let them level up faster. Meeting double or even triple their activity goal will reward the child with more gems. In other words, the more they do, the more they get. Tap to collect them and see your total at the top of the screen along with current mission progress. In addition to collecting gems, moving forward in the app adventure also lets kids access a fun tap challenge game. After they earn a move and read the story card for the day, they'll have an opportunity to play. Tap Play Now to proceed or Play Later to return to the map screen. They can return to the unplayed game anytime they want until the current mission is complete. During the game, kids will have 1 minute to earn as many points as possible, and if they've exceeded their activity goal, they'll get time boosts, which can lead to more points. Tap on the squares to uncover goodies and characters like BB-8 that add to your child's point total. But watch out for traps like the First Order. If you tap on their icon, your child will lose points. At the end of the game, your child will be able to see a scoreboard with their points for the round and recent high scores. After the game, kids can choose to play again immediately. For every 60 minutes of daily activity, they'll get 3 attempts. And by exceeding that goal, they'll get even more attempts and more opportunities to play. It's a great reward for staying active and will inspire kids to get a little more activity every day.